Hi there everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be opening up a box of the Rookies and Stars 2022 blaster packs from Panini. And inside these, what makes it really special is each one of these blaster boxes contains a guaranteed one autograph or memorabilia card per box on average. There's also going to be blaster exclusive 5 red and 5 red plaid cards here, and there's also going to be 6 rookies from the 2022 draft class in this box, guaranteed on average. Here's a quick look of the back of the box. Yeah, I've been hearing and seeing some really good things. It's a lot of bangers out of this pack, so I'm hoping we'll get one of the rookies out of the autos. Memorabilia is totally fine too, but really trying to hope for one of those autographs. I hear there's also a Brock Purdy available here, unlike the Prisms. So we have an opportunity to get, you know, something like Kenny Pickett. Hopefully we can get a Brock Purdy. And there's definitely a couple of other good rookies from this draft class. You mean Hutchinson and Sauce Gardner on the defense. Let's go ahead and see what we can get today. All right. It's got our 6 blasters. Artwork is pretty straightforward. These retail for $30 a piece, and I think they're also Target exclusives. Been opening a lot of the mosaics lately, not really pulling anything super hot out of there. Prisms are essentially gold at this point if you can find them in retail, but hopefully we'll get lucky with these packs. So let's get into it. Struggling a little bit over here. All right. Oh, there's a little bit of a bend situation going on here, but all right, let's see what we got. Hopefully nothing too valuable was bent there. We got George Kittle base. Got ourselves a Juju Smith-Schuster base. Cordell Patterson base. Kirk Cousins base. Nick Chubb, best running back in the NFL. We got A.J. Brown base, Aaron Rodgers base, and... okay, this might be... it's backwards. This might be our auto. Hassan Haskins. Running back? Oh, it's a silver. Numbered card as well. Wow, number 23 out of 80. Super nice. So it's a silver, not our auto. That's super clean. Okay. And here's our slightly bent card. It's a Crusade Treylon Burks. Super nice. Silver, reflective. Hopefully next year he pops off. He was kind of injured this year, but super nice card. We're going to have to figure out how to get this back in order, though. Nice. Get a standing ovation James Conner insert. Oh, let's go. We got ourselves a Sauce Gardner draft class. Super clean insert. Nice. And then we got ourselves another rookie, Tristan Ebner. I think he is running back. Yeah. Chicago Bears. Nice pack. So we already got a numbered card. All right, let's try not to fumble ourselves out of opening a pack here. Okay. All right, so we got a Chris Godwin base. Ooh. Got Joe Baby over here on the Bengals. Nice base. Mike White. Great quarterback, just unfortunate that Zach Wilson keeps stepping up over him. Cortland Sutton base. Deebo Samuel base. Patrick Mahomes base. Got a nice Kyle Pitts base. Ooh, clean Tyreek Hill base. Nice for the collection. Ooh, okay. We got one of our first reds. We get a rookie badge, Skylar Thompson. Great card. Unfortunate how he got thrown into the mix during the playoffs. Got a man in motion, Jalen Waddle. It's super nice. Got a little bit of some blur effect over there. Oh, cool. We got an airborne checkerboard. Nice, Matthew Stafford. It's pretty clean. I don't know what you guys think about some of these inserts. Kind of a very like throwback to some of the cards from the early 2000s. And I like them. And then we get a nice Chris Olave rookie card. Sweet. Great receiver. All right, 2 packs down. Going into pack number 3. Okay. Jumping in, we got ourselves a T. Higgins base, Jalen Hurts base, Amon St. Brown, Amon-Ra, Devontae Adams base, Darnell Mooney base, underrated wide receiver for sure. Did a lot of great stuff there. Saquon Barkley base, Jerry Jeudy, Eli Mitchell, Elijah Mitchell, they just ran out of space or interesting. Nice. Oh, cool. We got a red Najee Harris. Super clean. Not rookie, but that's all right. And we got a rookie rush. Oh, nice. Treylon Burks. Super clean. I like the clean close-ups that they have on some of these cards too. It's a really nice card. I think he's definitely going to pop off next year for those of you who play fantasy. And then we got ourselves a Derek Carr standing ovation insert. Congratulations to him getting on the Saints and getting paid. And then we got ourselves a Kayvon. It's a nice rookie card. I'm not going to butcher the name though. All right. So far we got quite a few solid rookies, and it'd be nice to get an Aiden Hutchinson if we can grab one still, but I really like that number card. We still haven't got our auto or our memorabilia yet, so hopefully it's coming up soon. Travis Etienne, James Conner, nice Jalen Waddle. Shout out to the Fins fans out there. Jamar Chase, base. Corey Davis. Got Scary Terry. Nice card, great receiver. Got a base Derek Carr. David Montgomery. Not one of my favorite running backs personally. Got a nice rookie Malik Willis in red. Cool. Hopefully he pops off next year. I think his first year was just really, really rough. Just not a lot of good passing percentages. Tom Brady insert touchdown club. There's a little star there if you can kind of make that out on the bottom corner. Interesting. We'll see if he actually stays retired. Man in motion, Deebo Samuel. Cool. Ooh, and then we get ourselves Christian Watson, rookie card. Base. Great receiver. All right, 2 packs. Here we go. All right, I think we got a memorabilia. It's a pretty thick piece right there. So we'll see what we got. We got a Danny Dimes to start, base. Man just got paid ton of money over on the Giants. Then we get Javonte Williams, base. Jimmy G, base. Trevor Lawrence, base. Great quarterback. Marquise Brown, base. Tua. Hopefully he can stay healthy next year. Joe Mixon. I think he is probably not going to be in the NFL anymore. We'll see what happens. The verdict and everything. Okay. Our fat boy right here. Memorabilia. Tua Tagovailoa. For those of y'all who don't know, I am a Fins fan. So let's see what we got over here.
Perfect.
Oh, let's go. We get an authentic jersey snippet of Tua Tagovailoa. This enclosed piece is also worn used material. Player worn. If you guys can see that. Oh, super nice. We got ourselves, it's just a clean white patch, but man, we got ourselves a little piece of Tua right there. Let's go. Let's go. Super sick. And then, oh, to top it off, we get a nice base AJ Dillon in red for Nice little box, blaster box exclusive. Oh, Jahan Dotson, nice. Great receiver. And then we get an insert. Oh, we get a Christian McCaffrey Crusade. That's sick. Nice little color match too with the red. So freaking clean. Let's go. And then we got a rookie Ty Chandler from the Minnesota Vikings. I think he's a running back. Yeah, running back. Super clean. I don't think I saw a whole lot of him last year, but maybe he gets an opportunity if Dalvin Cook shares some snaps in 2023. And sweet, that Tua patch was nice. Not a rookie, but I will take Tua quarterback patch anytime. And our last pack. Okay, so we get Jonathan Taylor, base. Antonio Gibson, base. Aaron Donald, base. Ooh, nice Justin Fields, base card. Michael Thomas, base. I think Saints probably need to move on from that man. We got Broncos Country, Let's Ride himself, base. Tyler Lockett, base. Ooh, great. Shaq is a great linebacker. Hopefully he can stay healthy. Great base card. And we get a Malcolm Rodriguez rookie card. I think he's a linebacker. In our red blaster exclusive. Yes. Sweet. And nice. We get a Chris Olave insert rookie rush. Super clean. So we got him, and then we got the Treylon Burks. Really clean pair of wide receivers for those inserts. We get Saquon Barkley, man in motion insert. And then we end it with a James Cook rookie card. Man popped off for sure last year. Great pickup by the Bills. All right. So recapping some of the highlights. I know I don't have all the rookies in here, but I think I have most of the key ones for my personal collection that are super nice. So Treylon Burks Crusade insert. Hassan Haskins, numbered card, silver, 23 out of 80. Sauce Gardner insert, rookie, super clean. And we get a nice airborne Matthew Stafford, parallel. Skylar Thompson, rookie, red. Chris Olave, rookie. Najee Harris, red, non-rookie. Rookie rush, Treylon Burks with the badge. Malik Willis, quarterback, rookie card in red. Super clean Christian Watson rookie card at its base, but he's my favorite wide receiver from the draft class. A.J. Dillon, red. Christian McCaffrey Crusade, super clean with a little bit of that color match. Malcolm Rodriguez in red. Rookie rush, Chris Olave, another clean wide receiver insert. And then we topped it off with our memorabilia, Tua Tagovailoa, my boy. Sweet. All right. Well, thanks everyone. Subscribe if you guys want to see more. Thanks.